In this video, we are going to look on how to add Sol to Photon Sol. First, open up Photon Sol website, and before doing anything, make sure you have a Phantom wallet. If not, then create your own Phantom wallet account for free. Once you create your Phantom wallet, you can continue with this process. Click on Connect Wallet. Then enter your Phantom wallet address and click on Unlock. Now click on Connect and then click on Confirm. Once you get this page, click on Generate. Then slide this button to reveal your private key. Make sure to copy the private key and save it somewhere safe. For example, save it on a notepad or on your mobile phone, etc. Once you save it, click on Continue. Then click on I already saved it. You need to add some Sol to your Photon wallet, so copy this wallet address and open up Phantom wallet and click on Send. Select Solana, then paste the copied wallet address here and enter the amount of Sol you want to transfer. Then click on Next. And after that, confirm your transaction to successfully add Sol to Photon Sol. I hope this helps you. Do like, share and subscribe to Easy Internet for more such videos. Thanks for watching.